Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a calculated field in Looker Studio. Now the first thing you need to do once you're on your report, come to the right hand side, okay, click on data. Now scroll all the way down until you see add a field, okay. Go ahead and click on this, click on add calculated field, and wait for this to load up, okay. Now we need to add a field name. Let's say we're calculating tax. Okay, so that will be the name of the field. Just leave the field ID as it is. Now we can choose from these available fields. So let's go and get revenue. Okay, so let's say, for example, total revenue, right? So the formula to correct tax, let's say the tax of the country is 20%. So you add a space, and then you have an asterisk to multiply by, let's say 0.2 for 20%, right? And there we go. This formula has no errors. If it did have errors, you will see here it would say formula syntax is invalid. Now these are some of the operators you can use. It's basically almost like Excel. You can use sum and things like that as well. So I'll come here and save this. Okay, so we have named it tax. All right, the calculated field has been saved. Click here on finish and you'll see it right here. So let's search for tax. We'll bring it in and we'll compare it with the total revenue. So come here. Okay. We'll bring in tax right here. Okay, and there you go. We have our tax. And I know it's not in a currency, so it's very easy. You just click on it. When you go to setup, you can come here, click on edit. And data type, you can change this from a number to currency, let's say US dollars. Okay, and there you go. Really that easy and simple.